MyStudyBuddy AI is one of the most exciting AI tools released recently, and in this review, I'll be sharing 7 crucial things you need to know about it. Whether you're a student, professional, or educator, you'll want to stick around for this, because this software could change how you study, learn, and even manage your educational tasks. First, let me give you the basics. MyStudyBuddy AI is designed to help you optimize your study sessions with personalized learning plans, automated research, and real-time question answering. It's powered by cutting-edge AI that tailors its features to your needs. The coolest part? You can try it completely for free through the first link below, so there's really no reason not to dive in. One of the standout features of MyStudyBuddy AI is its study plan generator. You simply input your course details, deadlines, and any other relevant info, and MyStudyBuddy will create a custom study schedule for you. It's like having a personal tutor who knows exactly how to organize your time, making sure you stay on track and don't miss any important milestones. Next up, MyStudyBuddy AI excels in automated research assistance. Instead of spending hours sifting through websites and academic papers, the software streamlines your research process by pulling together summaries and key points from reliable sources in minutes. This could seriously save you tons of time, whether you're preparing for an exam or working on a big project. What really sets MyStudyBuddy apart is its interactive question answering feature. You can ask the AI anything related to your course material, and it will provide accurate, detailed responses. Imagine having access to a tutor 24/7 who can help you clarify concepts and answer questions without having to wait for a scheduled session. This feature alone could revolutionize how you study, especially if you're juggling multiple subjects or topics. But it doesn't stop there. MyStudyBuddy AI has integrated practice tests based on your study material, allowing you to track your progress and see where you need to improve. You'll get instant feedback on your answers, making it easier to identify areas of weakness and focus your efforts on what matters most. And with its detailed analytics, you can always see how well you're doing, which makes preparing for exams far less stressful. Another benefit to MyStudyBuddy AI is its accessibility. It works across multiple devices, so whether you're on a laptop, tablet, or smartphone, you can access your study material anytime, anywhere. This is perfect for busy students who need to make the most of every spare moment to get ahead. Now let's talk about pricing, because I know that's always a big concern. MyStudyBuddy AI offers a free trial, so you can test everything out without committing to anything. After the trial, the pricing options are quite reasonable for what you get, considering it saves you so much time and energy. Lastly, if you're wondering whether this tool is really worth it in the sea of AI tools out there, I can confidently say that MyStudyBuddy AI stands out for its simplicity and the value it provides. I've tested hundreds of AI tools, and it's rare to find one that truly delivers on its promises. It's genuinely a game changer for anyone serious about their education or learning efficiency. Remember, you can try MyStudyBuddy AI for free using the first link below. It's one of the best new AI tools I've come across, and I really think it can help you boost your productivity and learning outcomes. If you're looking for more AI tools to level up your productivity, I've listed my top recommended software in the description, all available for free trials. After trying thousands of AI tools, these are the ones I trust the most to get the job done.